Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how Camera Pro Mode works on the Redmi Note 10 Lite. First of all, open your camera application, then move for the left side and open Pro Mode. And first click on this information icon and check description for each parameter that you can adjust in this mode. So for example, exposure compensation allows us to compensate exposure when you want to take image to be brighter or darker. So let's take a look how we can adjust these parameters. Let's start from the left side, from the white balance. Right here we can find automatic adjustment, and here we can find few presets. And that's how they change color and the temperature on the photos. We can also click right here to get this manual slider. Next, we can find focus level. It's basically focus range. So when you take a look on this button that is in front of me, and when I'm set up focus like that, you can find that it's sharp, everything's fine. But when I set it up like that, I set up focus close to the lens. So I have to move this object a little bit. As you can see right now, it's in the focus, but when I'm gonna move it like that, it will be out of the focus. Next, we can go for the shutter speed, and of course, go back for the focus range. You can also get it automatic. Here we can find shutter speed. We can set the shutter even for the 30 seconds. Next, we can set ISO. And here we can find exposure compensation. That's the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. And the last option, we can switch between lenses. When we go for the upper section, we can enable 48 megapixel mode. We can add filters. Right here we can pick matrix metering. We can turn on the flashlight right here, and by tapping in this place we can, for example, enable focus peaking, so it's linked with this option that I show you. As you can see, these red lines show us the exact focus. So as you can see, in this setup we are catching focus on this objects in front of us. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.